Have you ever thought about the power of social media? Social media has the power to make your business grow. Yeah! Why don't you let us manage your social media? Because our business is to see your business grow. Visit us at www.beastownmedia.co.za.
Today we are outside Deep Food Mall, where we'll be interviewing the head of clinic of the Unjani Clinics regarding the CSI initiative being done by Imperial and Deep Food Mall. Join us for more insights.
Okay, my name is Nomakaya Ngwaju. I'm a professional nurse at this clinic. I work in Deep Sloot inside the mall. The name of the clinic is Unjani Clinic Deep Sloot. The clinic started in 2015 in October. The idea was to start a business for myself. This is empowered by Imperial Health, and it has been going on since. And then I've been happy with the work that has happened so far.
So how has the clinic changed the community?
It's basically offloaded the clinics that are around here because there is too much clients or patients inside the clinics. And secondly is that patients, they can come at any time of the day without being cut off the queues. So even the community that is here, when they come lunchtime, there is somebody available to help them.
Would you share with us some of the challenges that clinics are actually still facing in our country?
Overcrowding is the first and foremost. People wake up around 4 o'clock in the morning to go and queue in the clinic because they all want to be number one. And you find them that they stay at the clinic the whole day. Second thing is the lack of resources. So you find that some equipments are not working, and you find that there's some medication that they can't get at the clinic. That means that there's often stock out at the clinic. And then also the type of investigative procedures they do, it takes like weeks for their results to come in.
What are some of the words of appreciation and thanks would you give to some of the stakeholders that you have had to work with?
Wow. Number one, the idea that they came with, it's a very good idea that empowers the nurses. I didn't know that I'll be an entrepreneur in this field, but they made it possible for me to be a clinic owner. And secondly is that I'm changing lives on a daily basis. You can see people coming and they are thankful for the services I'm giving them. And just to say thank you for all the nurses that have come abroad and tasted this opportunity.
Looking at the challenges that you find in the clinic, have you had to actually transfer a patient from your clinic to a local hospital?
Yes, patients that are referred to the hospitals are those that I cannot manage, or those that their conditions are not manageable at the clinics. So with that, I write them a referral letter to the hospital. I use either Tembisa or Helen Joseph or Rahima Musa, the three hospitals that I use.
Social TV also spoke to the center manager of Deep Sloot Mall to get more insights of the partnership between the mall and the clinic. So Mokhadi, would you kindly tell us, how did the mall decide such an awesome partnership between the Unjani Clinic and the mall?
Basically, Capital Land Asset Management Company, which is the one that is currently managing this Deep Sloot Mall, it focuses on implementing social responsibility initiatives that focus on education and community upliftment in the communities in which they operate. Unjani Clinic identified Diepsloot as an area where basic affordable healthcare is needed, and at that time Diepsloot Mall had a space to accommodate the Unjani Clinic, and that's how partnership was formed. Capital Land is currently working with Unjani Clinic to roll out clinics to other centers which we are currently managing within the community property company portfolio.
And would you kindly explain to us if the partnership will actually be sustainable in the near future?
The Diepsloot Mall Unjani Clinic was the best performing clinic in the network in 2015, and should the monthly numbers continue to increase, we will consider extending the clinic to accommodate the patient numbers.
Reporting from Diepsloot, Karabo Malefetsane from Social TV.